Just a wee play along version to Beautiful Crazy by Luke Combs. In the description below you'll find a little link to the lesson of this song. Okay, so Capo's in 4. All the information will be down below. And by the way, if, like with a C, instead of playing a C, you play a C add 9, or don't want to play a D over F sharp, you play a D chord, or E minor 7, you can just play an E minor. Things like that makes it easier for you. Okay, so just do a little play along version, and here we go, guys. Start at G. You can use a plectrum if you wish. Her day starts with a coffee, ends with a wine, takes forever getting ready, never on time for anything. When she gets it, come get me, look in her eyes. Well, it kind of scares me, the way that she drives me wild. She drives me wild, oh, beautiful, crazy. She can't help but amaze me. The way that she dances, ain't afraid to take chances, wears her heart on her sleeve. Yes, she's crazy, but her crazy is beautiful to me. She makes plans for the weekend, can't wait to go out. She changes her mind, says let's stay on the couch and watch TV. She falls asleep. Beautiful, crazy, she can't help but amaze me. The way that she dances, ain't afraid to take chances, and wears her heart on her sleeve. Yes, she's crazy, but her crazy is beautiful to me. She's unpredictable, unforgettable, it's unusual, unbelievable. How I'm such a fool, yeah, I'm such a fool for her. I'm beautiful, crazy, she can't help but amaze me. The way that she dances, ain't afraid to take chances, wears her heart on her sleeve. Yes, she's crazy, she's crazy, she's crazy, but her crazy is beautiful to me. Yeah, crazy is beautiful to me. And that's it, guys. As I said before, little lesson down below in the description. What a beautiful song to learn and play by an amazing artist. By the way, this particular song was me and my wife's first dance at our wedding, so means a lot to me. So thank you very much. Who was that? I think it was John requested that there. So hopefully you enjoyed that, John. And you know the lessons down below. Little play along is good. Keep her lit, guys. Appreciate your support. Like, share, subscribe. Speak soon, guys. Thank you.